Hi, hi.
Right? Just starting with the frame. It's coming together. Yeah, just starting to put it together. It's like the rear frame and the bottom bracket and the column where the steering goes. It's really, really cool.
This is our reference bike back here.
Yeah, the model bike.
We're in his studio. XYZ cargo bikes. And that's their home out there. It's a beautiful day. We just went swimming.
It's gorgeous in Denmark.
Yeah, it's great so far.
Day one, we have constructed the beginning of a seat, the bottom bracket, and then, what do you call this? Fork?
The steering column.
Steering column.
That's the part the steering will steer around, and then the front box section.
Right.
Yeah, and then this will be the rear section.
We haven't done the fork yet. That's gonna come out here.
Yeah, the handlebar. Well, I guess, yeah, like it's like a super unique steering situation. Yeah.
Yeah.
It does. It looks like a go-kart. It looks like a little transportation machine. Extra, but we got some packaging materials now.
We got some more over here. Yeah. All right.
So you're building the cargo box more tonight, just taking your time. And like this is where the acrylic or the Lexan will go on the outside. Yeah. Yeah, so just have to finish the box part. Yeah.
It's looking a little bit more like a bike.
That's right. There's the handlebar. Or no, this is the seat post. Seat post. Yeah. Maybe he's trying it from the other side. Then it'll get more. Okay, so here's the main kind And then this is part of the steering linkage that goes from the handlebar to the front of the bike. We've got some cool parts like this counter system parts so they can include here. There's some grease and some plastic bearing surfaces that are kind of like making these stacked sandwiches so that it can all be smooth on these like nice smooth plastic, and there's some reinforcement inside that supports the mechanism. It's really cool. Coming together. Steering linkage is so like part of it. Okay, so we have the bike as far as we're going to get it in the workshop, in the XYZ Workshop, and then we're going to take it back home to Seattle. We're going to try to take it apart, put cardboard around it, around the different pieces, and then hopefully be able to ship it back tomorrow, and then take the train to Utrecht to see some friends there.
Got the wheels on it
Yeah.
now.
But we got really far, and it's really interesting. A lot different than I would have expected building it. It's a lot more design and a lot more thought went into it. It looks really simple, but it's actually really interesting design. Learned a lot about it. So really thankful I got to come here and do this workshop.
Yeah, we also get to stay in this beautiful place and go swimming multiple times. Pretty good.
Yeah.
All right, good night all.
Look at us. We got it so far.
Wow. We'll see.
Expertise at good work.
So yeah, it fully boxed up. This is the wheels and small components, and then this is the frame and tubes. And we're not sure if it's gonna be able to ship, but we're gonna try our best to see what the options are, like even possibly taking this on the train. But it fit in 2 boxes, which is really crazy, and most of this packaging material we got for free from a dumpster. So that's why it looks all janky, but it looks great.
Looks pretty good.
We did it.
Yeah.
We passed it.
Mostly that guy.
Yeah, it's been really fun being at this workshop, and we're sad to leave Denmark. Denmark is awesome. We're gonna come back to Denmark.
That's for sure. Yeah.
It was really cool being here. Really glad to be able to have taken the class.
Tai Chi with Tom. Oh my God.
Oh. Okay, so we took the packages to the train station and tried to arrange a UPS pickup, and we were there for 4 hours and they never showed up. So then we just took it to a grocery store, and in the back of the store, they took it in the back of the store at the UPS access point. So kind of learned they have their shipping in the back of grocery stores here in Denmark. But it worked. We sent off the boxes, and we'll see if they make it through customs. But we're really happy to be going on to the Netherlands during our next stage of the journey. Utrecht.
Utrecht.
Okay, so yeah, we're on the Dom Tower in Utrecht, and the cargo bike is shipping to Seattle right now. It looks like it's going through, like UPS tracking says it's good. This tower is incredible. It was made in the 1300s, and it's the biggest structure anywhere in Netherlands, I think. And it's amazing that we're standing on something that's like 600 or 700 years old. That's so cool. It's so cool up here. Biking from Utrecht to Amsterdam.